Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to insert SIM card into the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So SIM card tray is located on the bottom side of the phone. Take the SIM eject tool that came in the box and gently insert it into the small hole in the SIM tray. Press carefully until the tray pops out, and now use your fingernails and gently pull the SIM tray out of the phone. Inside the SIM tray there is a small picture showing correct SIM card orientation. Just place SIM card the same way as shown in the holder. Make sure that SIM card contacts are facing up and the cut corner is in the correct position. Here. Now carefully slide the SIM tray back to the phone. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.